Good morning, everybody. Welcome to a new session of SAP ABAP training session. Are you able to hear me? Thanks. Thanks for the reply. Today we are going to see about what is SAP and what are the training modules we are going to see. We are going to see about basics of SAP systems and how to navigate into SAP system, how to develop a report and how to run a report, and what is the SAP business workplace and how to handle with the master and the transaction data. Here we are going to see about history of SAP and what is ERP and mainly about the SAP modules and how the SAP landscape configured and how it will be worked, and the difference between the customization and configuration of SAP and benefits of SAP. And let us see about the introduction of SAP. Normally SAP stands for Systems, Application and Product in Data Processing, and it was established in 1972 in Waldorf, Germany. SAP normally developed for complex combination of different modules and applications, and it is purely and business related software. SAP is the market leader in providing software related services to ERP and also in mainly focused on profit related businesses. SAP is the world's third largest independent software manufacturer. SAP have more than 1,97,000 customers in 120 plus countries. It has 55,765 employees worldwide, and it is located more than 130 countries. And it is a 40-year legacy of innovation and growth as food leader. It has an annual revenue of 16.22 billion. In New York Stock Exchange and Frankfurt Exchange, you can find an SAP under the name of SAP itself. Now we are going to see about SAP. SAP is one of the ERP category, SAP product that can be used by the company to manage their enterprise. SAP services facilitate more than 1,97,000 customers to generate profitable revenue, constantly adapt to the ever changing technology and market, at the same time maintain growth. ERP, what is ERP? Okay, thank you. ERP refers to Enterprise Resource Planning. It is a business management software system that serves all departments within an enterprise. ERP has many areas such as manufacturing, distribution, marketing, sales, purchasing, inventory, finance and human resource. Same thing SAP its categories into material management for MM, sales and distribution for SD, FI for finance, CO for cost accounting, and HCM for human capital management. It is categorized into several modules, same in the category of SAP ERP systems. So it is an modules how it works, like distribution, marketing, finance, sales, purchasing, inventory, human resource and manufacturing. It will be like a single system which handles all the modules. Okay, SAP works on the R3 architecture. It will be like client, server and presentation layer. Normally SAP system will be categorized into three landscapes, like development systems, second is quality systems, third is production system. The development system, it's mainly set for the developers who are going to develop an SAP developments, and after the SAP development completes, then it will move on to quality for the business to check, business or function consultant to check whether the system is okay or not. After that it will move on to production system. Production is mean for go live systems, like it is in real time data it has, and it will be a real time systems. Okay, now I will show how to navigate into SAP. This is an SAP logon. This is the first screen of SAP. This is the client system. It is an educational software, so we are having the client of 800 educational software. So we are having the name called IDAS ECC 6.0. It is an ECC 6 version. It is the latest version we are using. Okay, and here we are going to give the username and a password. Okay, and the logon language will be English. And here the username Anand and password. Okay, this is the first screen of SAP after logon. Okay, here we are going to see about data dictionary. It is in first class, so we are just going to see about the basic about ABAP. For another scene session opening, /O is to open another new session. Okay, so SE11. This is the place where we are going to enter transaction code. Transaction code is nothing but code which used to navigate from one screen to another screen. For example, if we enter SE11, it will take us to data dictionary screen. Okay, if we enter /n, it will go back to the first screen. So this is the navigation screen, and this is the menu. This is an edit. All the buttons are same. Okay. So just we are going to see about SE11. It is called data dictionary. Here we have the option to create tables. We can create view. We can create data type or type group. We can create domain. We can create search cell. We can create lock objects. Okay. Before creating any table, we can see how SAP provides. We can see the standard SAP tables like EKKO. It's one of the material management table. It is also called material header table. If you press enter, it will be show. Or if you want to search, this is an F4L. You can say so many tables are provided by SAP in standard itself. If you are not okay with the standard table, then we can go with the custom table. The custom table should always start with Z or Y. So in this example, we are just going to see about EKKO table. So press EKKO and click display. This is the attributes. This is developed and changed by SAP. This is a changed time. It is a package. Package is nothing but a folder where this table stores, and they created in that language on German. And it is in delivery and maintenance. Delivery class shows what type of application table it is. It is in master or transaction data, or whether it is in customizing table, or it is in any temporary storage table, or it is in system table, or it is in control table. We can categorize, and it will be mainly useful for system storage in a database. And it is in the data browser. It is like an maintenance allowed restrictions. For example, if we want to change in future, if we give display or maintenance allowed, we can edit in future. We can enhance the table in future also. Okay. And now we are coming into the field part. It is a mandatory field. It is a must to create for each and every table, and it always holds the client data. Client is nothing but 800. We are using the client. So always it will show what system we are using. For example, already we have seen it is a development system, or a quality system, or a production system. So whenever we are entering into the table, it always shows like what system we are logged in. Okay, and here it is an key field. EBLN we used this an key field in this table, and these are the non-key field. We can use a foreign key relationship by using this field. Mandatory because from table T001 is maintained as a foreign key with EKKO table. you click this button, it will show the contents. If you click this button, number of entries, it will shows 14,157 records in EKQ table. It is a standard table and we have a standard entry over there. This is a button to execute. So it's showing all the things. If you want to see single entry, we can see. By clicking a single click, you can see. Or if you want to, particularly if you want to see only one record, you can give select one record and you can find it from filters. For example, here I am going to see a purchasing document number of this one. I am giving the filter in this purchasing document number and I am executing now. See, and this is the button to go back, and this is the button to exit, and this is the button to cancel. Okay, this is a normal standard SAP table. If you want to create any custom thing, you can come by Z, start with Z, as table. For example, if you are creating any table for student record, you can give like this. Click enter, it will show. Does not exist, so we are going to create a new table. In short description, we can give any custom table name, for example, student table. And delivery class, we are going to handle with the master and transaction data, so we are giving A. In future, we have the plan to develop or enhance the table, so we can give table display or maintenance allow. And next, we are going to give about the field. Before that, we can see the attributes. Attributes given by the name who created, and it is the date, today's date. And package, whenever we are saving the package, it will automatically come and sit over here. And we logged on language called EN, so it is coming as English here. So now we are moving on to fields. I already told like mandatory, it's the must field, so we are giving here. So it will show all the information of client. Okay, and also you can give MANDT, or you can click F4L. It will show the list. If you want to search, you can search. It will come automatically. Okay. Then we can give student ID. Can give any predefined type or any data element. We will see about data element in the next class. Just we can give the predefined type here. We can give char 3. Or we can give char length is 3. Description, we can give student ID. Okay. And now we are going to see about the technical settings. We are going to see save in a local object. Okay, in technical setting, we have the feature of the table name and the short description and modified status like who changed and what is the when it was changed. All those details will be there. And it has a logical storage parameter like data class and size. It will be very much useful to store in that database, like which category it is going to be stored. For example, a data class will be a master transparent table, so we are giving APPL 0, and size category will be always 0, because whenever the content grows, it will initiate automatically. Okay, and we are not going to use any buffer right now, so we are giving buffering not allowed, and we are going to save. This is the save button. Just click and revise or activate. If you activate, table was created. Just click continue. So go back. You can see transparent table. Just go back. Okay. Come to here, extras, enhancement category. Table is not classified. Just click. It can be enhanced in future. Like enhancement in the sense, like if you want to add 1 or 2 fields, we can. It is possible. So we are giving the authorization now. So can be enhanced. So click copy, activate it. So it is active. Click this content button. Now we can check the entry. We didn't create any entries now, so it is showing number of entries 0. So go back. We can create one more field, student name. Will be char 20. We can put, and description. We can save it and activate it. It is active now, and if you click utilities, come to table contents and come to create entries. You can create an entries. For example, student's name starts with student ID starts with 001, and name will be John. And if you click save, you can see the message like database record successfully created. Go back, come to this contents, click number of entries. If you show our record, see one record created, close, run it, you can see this things. If you want to edit, you can edit. I'll show once again. If you want to edit, just click on this thing and click this change button. You can edit. You can edit. Okay. And also, please note it down. See, in client we didn't enter any value. It automatically picks from the systems. Like we logged on to client 800, so it's automatically coming here 800, and it's showing we entered student ID and student name. It's coming. Once again, I'm showing. See, go to utilities, coming to table contents, come to create entries. You can see. You can create another entry also. We are creating a second entry. 800. It's an disable mode. It comes automatically from here logged on system. We logged on to client 800, so it is coming automatically. If we logged on to some other system like 900 and 1000, it will comes automatically. Okay. Click save. Database record successfully created. Just go back, or if you want to create another button, another record, click reset, and you can create another record 003. Can save. Go back. Now click contents. Click number of entries. It will be 3. Okay. Now we are going to see about what is data type and what is type groups. See, data types can be a data element, or it can be a structure, or it can be tables, or it can be table types, or views, or class interface. Now we can create one data element first. We are creating first of all we are going to check is there any entry already exists. So just give one name, click that. So there is no entry over there. So we are going to create a new entry. We are going to create data element. Student ID. We are going to create three different types like char 3, which we already created. Can give the student ID. Here data element is nothing but for reusability. We created SAP created these features. For example, here I created student ID as a data element. I can create it on various tables. I created this student ID as a data element. I'm going to use this in this table. This is a change button. I'm going to give student ID here, and I'm going to delete these things. Okay, I give student ID here. If you double click, you can able to see it, you can relate with the table and data element here. Okay, activate it. I can use this data element in various tables. No need to give data type or length separately. So whenever you are giving this data element, it meant for like it has a character type and it has a length 3. It holds a description of student ideas. Okay, this is an SE11 screen we are seeing, and if we go to SE80, you can see the navigator screen. In the screen we can be able to create application hierarchy package in the sense like a folder, can create a program, can create a function group, can create an interface or class, can create an IS like internet service, we can create an FDIN applications, BSP applications and BSP extensions and interactive object and local objects. And you can also navigate to SE38 to into the programming. This is a sample program we created already. Okay, some class declarations and this is some select options. It just given overview how it will work. Like we created some program. It has some selection like filter parameters, selection queries, and then printing button. This is a button to execute the program. We are executing it, and this is the output. I will clearly explain about SE38 about programming in next class. Thanks for cooperating with this class. We'll see you on the next class. Thank you.